Hi, David here. Today I want to show you a common problem with GMs. This one here is a glove box off my 1990 Buick Reatt. And in a perfect world, this is how it's going to work. You're going to come out and it's locked. You release it and it unlocks. Great, everything's good. But the next day you may come out and you pull on this and you cannot open your glove box. The reason is the mechanism inside is plastic. This is a broken one here. I earmarked it just so you'd see it here. And it's in the lock position. It will not open. So don't fret, you will be able to open it. This is easy because I already have it out. You'll have to bend down under the dash to open it. So there's a broken piece of plastic here. You just need to get in here and you've heard the click and now it became unlocked. Okay, so now you can open the glove box, but now you need to replace this because it's broken.
Okay,
so,
can you show us just one more time with the little switches? Now we got a little bit better light here. Let's just go look inside there one more time. You can put it forward.
Oh, okay.
Show the people.
Okay, you can hear it's locked. Okay, that's in the lock position up
front.
up there.
Okay, tilt it.
So, but you can't open it because
Here we go.
the plastic piece, if you can see in here, is broken. So if you're careful, you can get a little flat-bladed screwdriver, go in and lift it up. You'll see that trip back. Now you'll be able to open your glove box. Okay? But now you need a new one. You can't buy new ones, so you're either going to go to the wrecking yard or you'll find somebody online that has some of these. The problem is they're all different colors. So hopefully you can get one that's the right color. But if not, then you're going to have to get the lock, the cylinder, out of yours and into the new one that you're getting in. So I'll show you how you get a cylinder out. It's actually very easy. So I'm just going to show you here. This is a cylinder that's coming out. So if you can see here, there's 5 of these, I'm going to call them keys or tumblers. 4 of them move when you put the key in, but the one closest to the outside does not move. So when I put the key in, you'll see them all go down. Right? Great. So this one here is the one that holds it in place. So I do have to get that down. I'll show you here. If you push down on it with your finger first before you put the key in, now they're all down. That's what you want to do. So now, I want to get this cylinder out and put it into a different colored one. So just pick yourself any small little flat bladed screwdriver, and that little tab that I was pushing there, it's actually right there. Okay, so what I have to do is I'm going to duplicate what I was showing you before. I just push it down. Now I can put the key in. Now I can take that out and it stays down, and you'll see that I'm actually, okay, I didn't get it in all the way. Hold it down, put the key in all the way, pull it out. You're actually turning it further than what you would all normally do, because I've pushed that pin down, it allows me to. Now, you need to turn it all away, because what I'm doing is I'm allowing that cylinder to move past this plastic piece here. Now I'm going to I'll just show it to you on a piece of, I blew it up on a piece of paper here so you can really understand. I've got an arrow pointing to it, to that little plastic piece. That little plastic piece is actually the thing right now that is holding the cylinder in. So I had to turn the cylinder past that. Once it's past that, it now allows me to pull it right out. So now I can put this cylinder into, if it's a blue one that I really wanted, it just goes in, turns back, pull it out, it's locked, and everything's working again.
And
Great.
You now have your original existing key. That's the point of all this. That way you can still use your existing key.
That's right.
Okay.
Otherwise, because you don't want to have multiple keys to do this. In theory, you just want your one existing key to do all of it.
Yeah, you don't want to carry around all this here.
But
that wouldn't be good.
There's one other problem. This works great if you're getting one of these clasps or locks and the key is already removed. But what happens if you get a good functioning one but no key? You know, you're going to the wrecking yard and you buy one of these for 10 bucks or something, and that's great, but you don't have a key. So you can always stick it in and it'll work, but you'll never be able to lock it. But the trick is, how do I get this out and now put my existing one back in? So there is a way, and you don't need a key. So what you need to do, get a drill with just a small drill bit, and what you're going to want to do, I've already drilled this one out, you're going to drill into the aluminum part of the cylinder right here. Okay, and now if you remember that paper again, where it showed that, I'll just show you back on the paper. Right there, that little plastic piece. Okay, so what I'm going to do, that plastic piece rides inside this channel. If you are very careful, and it will destroy this, but if you drill the aluminum out and then just chip it away, knowing now that that's what you want to clear, this will actually just drop out. So this is one I've already done. I've cleaned that up, and all I need to do now is just push it out. And I didn't destroy anything. All I've done is drilled that out carefully, and I went at a slant to make sure that I stayed away from that plastic piece, the guide. So go like that. It's going to take you 5 minutes or so, because you want to be careful. But once you've done that and chipped it away, this will just fall out. And then you can reuse it. I'll just show you here Well, here's one here. You can just put a good one back in there. The reason that's not going in all the way is because I need to move this over. But anyway, trust me, if you move that over just a little bit, the lock, this will now go back in and everything will work again. Okay? So if you have any questions, just go down in the comment part and I'll answer them for you. And this probably is used in all kinds of GMs and Buicks, definitely in Buick Reattas and Rivieras. So all isn't lost. Okay, if you like that and it helps you, hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great day.